Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Gabby. I'm a New York City based life and style content creator. I'm also a full-time PhD student. Today we are doing a day in my life. It is Saturday. We've got some plans. I have to go into lab. We're just gonna be getting up to some things. So buckle up, let's go. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're not already. I post vlogs every Sunday and I've been posting special Wednesday uploads, so check those out. Yeah, and give this video a big thumbs up if you've been loving the vlogs. I've been loving making them. Let's get into it. I am talking really fast because I am running a little bit late. So let's go. First, OOTD, of course. Naturally, we have to. Let's do it. All right, today's outfit is very casual. It is daytime, I guess, so that makes sense. But I'm just wearing a white t-shirt from H&M, this very bright blue cardigan from Cezanne. I have my Abercrombie jeans on. They are kind of like a straight leg, relaxed vibe. And then I'm also wearing my silver naturalizer flats. My necklace is from Brooklyn Charm. I made it in the last vlog actually. And then my earrings are Bottega dupes from Anthropologie. Same as my bag is also from Anthropologie and it's a Bottega dupe. But yeah, that is the fit. Let's go meet Waverly. Cute.
Find me in the times with my hands behind locked up walls, feeling alright. Feeling just alright. Feeling very alive. Uptown lady, keep on feeling hazy, shady thoughts feel nice. Keep me in the park.
I just finished at Salon 94 with Waverly. They had a bunch of like specialty furniture on display, which was really cool. But now I'm headed back to my apartment and then I'm going into lab. I also might stop into Barnes & Noble. I don't need to buy any books, but like, when does anyone ever need to buy books, you know? It's a want, not a need.
Locked up, oh, I'm feeling alright. Feeling just alright.
I have a stack of PR, so let's just go through all of this. So I thought I was gonna sit down and do this, but I think I just wanna stand. And I need some lip gloss. I love a glossy lip, I think. I was not made for the matte girl life. Okay, let's get into this PR. So Stony Clover Lane sent me the most insane package earlier in the week. And it is a massive like picnic basket situation. But they sent me a bunch of goodies. This like tote bag that has my name on it. I'm obsessed with the woodland creatures on this one. Gotta get ready with me. I love these like clear bags and these letters are so cute. It says GW. And then bookworm, cute. And then I haven't opened this yet, but so cute. Gorgeous, like velvet bow. Let's see what's in here. Oh, is it a scarf or a pillowcase? It's a scarf. It's like a silk satin scarf. Oh my gosh, and it's so luxe. Look at that. I hope this is what it's for, or else I'm feeling a little embarrassed. Like a little hair moment. I hope that's what this is. This is gorgeous. Wow, I'm obsessed. Absolutely, they know me so well. I love it. Okay, anyway, let's keep moving, keep it moving. Next thing I have is from Naturium. They send me so many goodies. I'm obsessed with Naturium. This is the Lift, Brighten, and Lift, Brighten, and Tighten with Vitamin C Super Eye Cream Plus. I haven't tried these obviously, but I'm excited to try them. It comes with the vitamin C, retinol, hyaluronic acid. Oh, it's a lot of actives. Okay, maybe we start with the vitamin C Super Eye Cream Plus. Oh wait, is it just are these different? Oh, one's for eye, one's for the whole face. Okay, I'm getting it now. Cool. So we have a dry shampoo mist, which looks interesting. So thank you, L'Occitane. I got the Milk Makeup. I did a whole TikTok on this, but the Milk Makeup Cloud Glow Priming Foam, I think is what it's called. But I tried this and I really liked it. However, it feels like nothing on the skin, first of all, which is amazing. I think it's gonna be really nice for summer. But use your matte products with this because I felt extra shiny at the end of the day. So it's doing its job. It's giving glow and it's giving like a good base for makeup, like my makeup stayed in place. However, I just felt a little bit more oily shiny than I usually do, and I used powder that day, so I feel like you just gotta be extra heavy with the matte products or your powder. Next up, I got two products from the brand Honey, I think is how you say it. I got the Good Aura Weightless Body Oil and the Water Balm Deep Hydration Body Mist. So I think this is like a lotion type thing, but it's a spray instead of like a cream. Packed with a powerful cocktail of aloe leaf extract, red algae extract, and glycerin. Anything with glycerin I find that I really like, so that'll be fun. But this is a weightless water-like formula, drenches your skin with intense moisture without the heaviness of balms and thick creams. Yeah, so it's like a spray. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and non-toxic, and the packaging is so beautiful. I'm excited. Oh, it's like a gel material almost, but I guess it comes out as a spray. Fascinating. I'm intrigued, but like, can we talk about this colorway? I'm obsessed. This is the Water Balm, the Weightless Body Oil, and I feel like body oil for summer is gonna be really nice. And again, packaging stunning, and it also comes with a separate little pump situation. So I have to check and see if I have a coupon code for them, because I got this through ShopMy. Also through ShopMy, I got two products from Swede Beauty, which I had never heard of, but I'm excited. It's a vegan and clean professional makeup brand, and I got the Cloud Mascara Black. I'm a mascara hater, to be honest. I don't really like mascara, so I'm curious to see if this is like a good one. It looked like something that was like more lightweight, not super heavy, which I really like, so this should be interesting to try, and I just got it in black. And then I also am gonna try their lip liner. This is in the shade Missy, and it's like a, I don't know, it looks like it's a brown shade, so should be interesting. It'll be a switch up from my usual Chestnut by MAC, so I'm excited to try this out. I also got a package in from Valentino Beauty, and they sent me their eye to cheek dual use blush and eyeshadow. I'm all for a 2-in-1 product. I feel like it makes makeup so easy. You don't have to do any thinking about like what eyeshadow am I gonna do, what blush am I gonna do, what lip am I gonna do. I like that a lot. But I got the shade 4, which I'm not really sure what this is, but it looks really pretty. It's like a almost like a dusty rose pink, but I think it's gonna be really pretty and natural. And then from my new friends over at Violette FR, they sent me some of their lip, what are these lip balms? Oh, Bisou balms. They sent me 4 of their Bisou balms, and I'm super excited for these. I love just kind of, I love a very like natural makeup look in the summer, so I wanted something that was just gonna be really easy to like when you don't have foundation or a lot of makeup on, where you can just have like a fun lip moment. And they're in a lot of fun colors. The French love a bold lip, so the colors range from like very neutral, like this is more of like a, damn, that's depressing. I love a neutral lip, but I also like a pop of color, so I'm excited to try these. And last but not least, I got the most gorgeous a pair of shoes. I need it to be like warm weather immediately, but they are Python embossed wraparound sandals. You can wear this out with friends, to the grocery store, like they're just very easy to wear, I think, and I'm super excited. And that is all the PR that I have for you today. Thanks always to all of the brands. I'm literally always in shock that I get sent this stuff. It's really crazy, but I'm super thankful, and I love trying new, especially makeup. I love trying new makeup products. I get really stuck in using the same products over and over again, and I don't like to switch it up, but like now that I'm getting products from brands, I feel like I can actually search for like the perfect products, which is really helpful for, I guess, me and for you. But yeah, so now that I've goofed off a little bit, I'm gonna go into lab and I will talk to you guys later. Cute.
One step out the door, wish I'd taken before. I can't make amends with those who won't make good friends. Took one look at the car, felt like looking at a scar. I can't play pretend with those who play the victim. I can't make you love me.
Hello friends, I wanted to wrap up this vlog. This probably will be a little bit of a shorter one because it was only a day. But I had a good Saturday. It was nice. I feel like I just needed to like slow down a little bit. It was nice to get the gallery in, catch up with Waverly, and then go into lab, get a couple things done, and then just kind of be home the rest of the day. I watched the new Lindsay Lohan movie, Irish Wish, and it's like, is it the best quality? No. Did I enjoy watching it? Yes. I am rooting for her comeback. I will continue to watch all of the romantic comedies that they put her in. So yeah, I watched that, and then I actually rewatched Ever After today, which if you watched my comfort movies video, you know that is like #1 on the list. I love that movie. It always is gonna put me in a good mood, and it did not disappoint. It's just, it's so good, and I forget how much of that movie that I can quote. It's just, it's too good. It's too good. But now I am reading a little bit. I started One to Watch by Kate Stame in London. And I got this actually, I went to a book swap on Wednesday, and I brought a couple books, and this was the one that I picked out. And this has been on my TBR for so long, so I was excited to get a copy of it. I went into Barnes & Noble today, and I was so strong. I was so strong. I didn't buy any books. There's so many good, well, I don't know if they're good, but there's so many like talked about books that are like coming out right now. So I'm excited to pick out something soon, but I need to kind of dig through my pile of books I haven't read yet. So yeah, but I am excited to read this. It is it's about a plus size fashion blogger who, I haven't gotten to this part yet, but she is basically put on like a bachelorette-esque show where she's like the bachelorette, and I've heard good things about it, so we're digging in. But yeah, I'm gonna read a little bit more of that, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I painted my nails. I was like sitting on the couch watching Ever After, and I was like, I feel like I need to be doing something else right now, and it's because my nails looked bad, so I painted them a fun cherry red. I haven't done red in a while, so it's a good switch up. But yeah, that's what we're working with. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. What's up? How's your week going? Anything fun happening this week, next week, March in general? My parents are coming next weekend, so I'm excited. I need to plan our weekend out, but that's the vibe. I will see ya next week. Bye.